So, as you might have heard, Florida passed this law that attempted to prevent social media platforms from deplatforming political candidates and political speech. Not surprisingly, industry groups have already pushed back, and they're almost certainly going to win for at least two reasons. First of all, Section 230, the infamous Communications Decency Act, Section 230, explicitly allows social media platforms to moderate their own content, and most importantly, that law preempts state law. It's a federal law that effectively prevents states from passing laws like this. And then second of all, there is the First Amendment. These are private companies, and they are largely in charge of what speech they allow or don't allow on their platforms. So it's unlikely that this Florida law is going to last very long, because we're going to see it in court.